Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explore Grigora's free tool, Contact Schema Generator. This tool is designed to help you create structured data for your contact information effortlessly. You can access it directly using the link in the video description, or you can simply search on Google for Contact Schema Generator Grigora free tool and open the first link. Once you open the tool, you'll see several input fields for your contact details. Let's try a demo. I'll start by entering the contact page URL. Next, I'll add a phone number and select the contact type, e.g. customer support, from the drop-down menu. I'll also input an email address, keep the area served as US and the language as English. As I fill in these details, you can see the schema code instantly generating on the right side, which is ready to be copied and used on your site. And that's it. That is how you can quickly generate accurate contact schema to improve your local SEO. Grigora offers a wide range of free tools to help with writing, SEO, and design, so be sure to explore the full collection to boost your productivity. See you in the next tutorial.